The other day at Piggly Wiggly I bought some ribeye for $3.99 a pound. It was a little bit tough. It was still tender in the middle if you cooked it rare, but so I cubed it up and canned it. Just like canned beef. And you want to talk about something that's delicious and tender, as I run it in the pressure cooker, and I pressure cooked ribeye in these little half-pint jars. And why I'm talking about it, my brother the other day went out and caught a bunch of bluegills, scaled them, and fried them up. I'd just chop their heads off, just like the old days when nobody ever filleted fish before. And he got my mouth watering. So I snagged a couple crappies off the back of my deck tonight, and I'm getting ready to flip them over here. And I'd like to talk, but I'm getting ready to eat, so I can munch on them little brown tails and peel the meat off both sides. It's not for women and children because they got a lot of bones in them, but the flavor is fantastic right next to the backbone. So anyway, gotta go. I just wanted to show this to my brother Larry up in Brainerd, Minnesota. This is Steve Hall in Nashville, Tennessee, signing off. I gotta do a little flipping on these crappie. Bye bye.